me your butthole and they bend over and pull their pants off.
Oh, this all you right here?
Yeah.
Oh, with the General Lee too?
Yeah.
What year is that?
94.
That's a 94? Be building
I
out.
just put the tie rod on too.
Oh, I thought you was really doing something.
No, I dieseled it up real nice. Dieseled it
Oh,
up.
yeah, it's a gasser. They got a turbo on it?
Yeah, dude.
They had turbo in 70?
It has three turbos.
Oh, y'all done redid everything.
Yeah, I did. I wanted to go fast. And I got some Nissan in there too.
It's a Nissan.
Nitrogen.
Oh, nitrogen. So
Nitro.
3 turbos and nitro.
Nitro.
Yeah.
I sure did.
When you do that?
Yeah. At my shop.
Oh, at the shop?
Yeah, it's called Killer's Garage.
Killers?
Yeah, Killer's Garage.
Where it's located?
Dallas, Texas.
That's where I'm from.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm surprised you haven't heard of it.
Yeah.
I tried to do all my work. I just
I need to check
fixed
it
that
out.
wheeler too.
You fixed that one?
Yeah.
What you do to it?
I had to air up the tires and then I redid the back part.
What you
I put some nitro on that
What
too.
you set the tire pressure on the 4-wheeler?
36. All the way around.
Okay.
Yep.
You be going mud too?
Yep.
Okay.
Everything.
Which one you riding on?
I ride them all. And then I just rebuilt the engine on that yellow Can-Am.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I just installed that light bar yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see y'all got plenty of beads.
Yeah.
Y'all trying to see some titties.
We already saw a bunch of titties and ass.
They gave me 6 beads. I got 6 pair of titties to see.
Yeah, and we saw some buttholes too.
For real?
Yeah.
They show that too?
They do. You say, show me your butthole, and they bend over and pull their pants off.
I'm gonna go see. Where I gotta go? Where I gotta go for that at?
Everywhere. Those ones over there like to show their buttholes.
I'm gonna go look.
The ones with the tents, they're showing buttholes all night.
For real?
Yeah, they got this girl over there and she's real pretty. The girl over there and she's really pretty and she shows her butthole if you show her.
She real
She
pretty.
got the butt plug and everything in. Yeah.
Just for one set of beads?
Yeah, one set of each. She'll show you her
I don't want
butthole.
to give everything. They said I
No,
got
you give her
6
one
of
set and she'll show you the whole butthole.
See a butt plug in the butthole?
Right next
Really?
door.
Here. Right here.
Where?
This one too.
You?
She's stuck.
For real?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
When you taking it? When?
What?
I was gonna see when she
She
taking
has this one that has a cup holder on it too.
So you can just sit your cup, cause I need somewhere to sit this drink
Yeah,
in
the
right
one's
now.
right there with that side by side.
Right here?
Yep, right there.
I don't know
That's
them,
it.
man. I don't want to disturb
You
nobody.
don't disturb them. They're up all night.
They probably sleeping now.
No, they're awake. They're